Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an AEG OKO Lavamat 74620 update. Big German washing machine, extra heavy. Kind of reminds me of a Miele. Might be the same, I don't know. This machine's old, but it will still let me show you the lint filter down on the bottom, and that's what we're going to do today, clean this lint filter. So, there's a little door here. If you have a look, you get your hand in there and you give it a pull. This one just comes straight off. I'm outside, but if you're inside, you might want to put down a towel or a baking tray or something. This little hose here gives you the opportunity to drain it off. So if you pull the plug out of the end of this, water will come out of it if there's water in it, and that'll drain into whatever you've got. Otherwise, because I'm outside, I don't want to go through that bother. Don't know if there's anything in it. Yep, there's water in it, alright, which makes sense. Let's just unscrew that with your hand. And if it's too tight, I've got other videos to show you how to open it. Now there's something in there. Oh dear. Loads of bits. Ah, it's not treasure, it's pretty gross actually. Right. So what happens is, the reason it's gone black is because there's hair clips in there that have rusted. There's also this piece of stainless steel which looks like the underwire from a bra. You've got some collar tabs from a shirt. And have a look in there, there's the impeller blade. This machine's in bad order and that's why a lot of that grit there, this machine is completely broken. But the lint filter is all the same, so if I was you, I'd give that a wipe down or a rinse off under the tap and then just screw it up to finish. Good and tight. Tuck that back in. I think it pushes in on this one, yeah. And then the door just clips onto these little plastic tabs at the bottom and closes. That's it. Any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you later.